Hello beautiful people around the world, John here from forecastfortomorrow.com. I want to thank you for watching our YouTube channel. We haven't updated in a while. I know it's Sunday the 20th of February 2011. Now that date is very important for now. I'll get to that in a minute. I'll get to the reason why that date is important. First of all, I want to apologize. I've been very naughty. I have not updated our YouTube channel for quite a while, so sorry about that. We will try to get more videos out to you. Today I have a very interesting chart and a very interesting video. I have a lot of clients, business clients here in Australia and in America and in Europe that recently I've been noticing there's a lot of people asking about our analysis on some of the currency charts and on the currency exchange. Since 2011, we've been seeing a very rapid trend where people have been taking their money out of commodities, taking their money out of the stock market and trying their hand on the currency exchange. A lot of these currencies, because of what's happening in the economy and the bailouts, the stimulus package, a lot of the currencies are just moving quite violently. There's a lot of money to be made, but please, I must tell you that it is a risky place to be putting your money. I mean, I've seen a lot of people be successful trading commodities and then move over to the currency exchange and lose a lot of money. It's very risky, but we're noticing a lot of people trying their hand on the currency exchange at the start of this year. And that leads me on to the next subject. In front of you right now, you're looking at the daily chart of the Aussie dollar here in Australia. A lot of our clients are asking, what's happening with the US dollar, with the bailouts, the stimulus, the Q2, the Q3 coming. But what I want to say to you is there is a very interesting pattern in technical analysis terms that we have spotted on the Aussie dollar. And if you have studied technical analysis or you know a little bit about charting, the area that we're looking at here is probably in the last couple of months. I would probably say since about November 2010 there, since last year. But as you can see on the chart, since June of last year, the Aussie dollar has basically been rising and rising and basically sticking to its natural uptrend pattern there. It has not really broken this line here for many, many months. So if you want to call the sentiment a sentiment for the Aussie dollar, it's probably more in a bullish sentiment at the moment, especially because of what the US dollar's doing. And like I said, there's other currencies that are just moving quite violently, but the Aussie dollar is more of a commodity currency. It's quite safe, I guess, to a certain degree. What we have spotted in the Aussie dollar, especially with the way it's actually performed over the last couple of days, is there is a clear signal of an ascending triangle on the Aussie dollar. Now, in technical terms, an ascending triangle basically has a topping pattern there where the price hits a certain point on the resistance and basically the sellers come back in every time it hits that point. And as you can see there, every time the Aussie dollar has hit that resistance roof there, it's come back down, buyers come in, hit the resistance point, sellers come back down, up we go to the same resistance point, it comes back down. Over the last 3 days, it's gone up and hit this same resistance line here up just above the dollar level. Now the ascending triangle basically has that resistance point up there, but it also has a series of higher lows leading up to that roof. So if you join these low points here, you can see there's a series of higher lows, and basically to a point where all the sellers are getting squeezed out of the market. And as a technical analyst of many years and a chartist and a trader, I can tell you that this pattern that we're seeing on the Aussie dollar, now this data is current and up to date, is a very highly bullish signal that we could see higher prices on the Aussie dollar coming in the short term and the medium term. And what you normally do is you measure from the bottom of the triangle up into the resistance point here, and then you double that projection target up again. So we're looking probably at the $1.10, probably maybe even a little bit more. But like I said, this pattern is extremely bullish, especially for something like the Aussie dollar. Once again, it has to break this resistance roof here, just up currently where it is. It's a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, but once it breaks up through there, highly likely to see the price move north in an upwards direction. And the reason that I am posting this video, like I said, it is the 20th of February, and the reason why that date's significant is because we're actually close to this resistance point again. If it breaks through this resistance point and a little bit through market noise, there is a strong chance that the Aussie dollar will go higher from here on in, especially if it gets up to the $2 region, $2.50. You might see, slowly the sellers reaming out of the market and the buyers becoming more aggressive, and up the price will go. So like I said, ascending triangle on the Aussie dollar. Watch it in the coming days, watch it in the coming weeks. It's a very bullish pattern technically on the market, and there's a lot of traders out there that have missed this pattern and have not seen this opportunity. So if you are a currency trader, make sure you watch the Aussie dollar like a hawk. Obviously there's no guarantees. The price could go up and then drop down and crash dramatically, but like I said, historically, these patterns, these ascending triangles, what you're seeing on the screen right now, which is this pattern here, normally very bullish on a chart. But again, you just have to watch for a break of this resistance point. It's nearly there. It's just poking its head up on that line. You need a little bit of a solid breakthrough to confirm that. But like I said, a very good chart to trade the Aussie dollar. Watch it. 20th of February today, so obviously the market opens tomorrow, and it'll be very interesting to see what happens to the Aussie dollar in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks. Okay, that's about it for today. I want to thank you for watching this video. We have more stuff. Sign up to our site at www.forecastfortomorrow.com for more. Until then, have a fantastic weekend, guys. Happy trading, God bless, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.